The Bntouch Borrower Portal is a personalized mini website you can generate for a client. Using this portal site, your client will be able to stay up to date with information regarding their mortgage as it is updated by you and your partners. This lets your borrowers take an active role by completing their loan application online, uploading and e-signing documents, calculating pre-approval and refinance analysis information, and communicating with you through your CRM. Borrower portals are unique to each mortgage client in your CRM, and these portals have several tools and features your borrowers can use to stay involved in their mortgage process. Borrower portals are easy to get started with. The first step is to navigate to the Mortgages tab and open a client's record. You can do this by clicking their blue name link. In the Mortgage Info sub-tab, you'll notice a gray area to the right with the borrower's contact information. Towards the bottom of this area, you'll see a couple links for Portal. The Invite link will send an email to your client with a link and instructions to set up their portal. We recommend that you send the password in a separate email for security reasons. However, you can include the password in this invite by using the With Password link to the right. You can also access the client's borrower portal yourself using the Click to Visit link. Let's take a look at what your clients will see when they go into their borrower portals. The first screen they will see is the dashboard. This page will give them a brief overview of their loan status, including the milestones they have completed in their mortgage process, any documents they need to upload or e-sign, and how much of their loan application they have completed. These statistics are pulled from your CRM. To the right, the client can see a log of any communications with you through your CRM. This will include messages and images that you have sent, as well as any SMS text messages if you have the Bntouch voice module enabled for your account. Borrowers can also send messages to you from this part of their dashboard. Below, clients can access an online pre-approval calculator. They can enter information regarding their income, credit score, and mortgage, then request pre-approval for a mortgage from your company. They can also see a detailed payment breakdown for the requested loan and an estimated schedule of payments using the buttons above. To the right, borrowers can chat with Maya, your mortgage AI assistant. In addition to helping you with your work inside the Bntouch CRM, Maya also shows up in the borrower portal to help clients with questions they may have about their mortgage terms, their loan status, and the like. They can even ask her, "Can I get a quote?" to get help walking through the pre-approval process. At the top of the screen, the borrower can access your contact information. To the left, they will see various menu icons. When they hover over these icons, they can access the tools available in the borrower portal. The first option shown is the dashboard, which will return them to this default summary page for their portal. In the Loan App page, borrowers can fill out their 1003 loan application online. Instead of a confusing paper form, your clients can go through their application step by step via their portal site. The loan application that appears here is something you can customize in your CRM, including which fields appear, any values that are filled in by default, and any comments you wish to add to help your borrowers understand the process. The best part about this loan application is that your clients can stop at any time without losing their progress. Whenever they click the Save and Continue to Next button at the bottom of the page, the data they have entered will be saved and updated in your CRM. When the client loads their portal again, they can pick the application up right where they left off. Your clients can also ask you questions about the application process using the Quick Contact box to the right of the form. This feature must be enabled in the 1003 section of the Options tab of your CRM before clients can communicate with you from their loan application. Please contact your administrator if you would like this chat feature enabled for your account. The My Documents page will show your clients a list of all documents that you have requested of them, documents you have made available to them to sign electronically, and a storage of files you have made available to them through your CRM. You can navigate between these lists using the toggle switch in the upper right corner. If you have requested the client to send you documents, they will see a description of the requested file, the date you asked for it, and the date you need it submitted by. To the right, they can use the Upload link to find a file from their computer and transmit it to you. The document will then appear in their record of your CRM. If you have enabled the e-signing module for your account, you can upload files to your documents library, send them to your borrowers via their portal sites, and have them sign them securely online. This can include full signatures, initials, dates, and more. Once the client signs a document, it will be updated in your CRM, and you can see exactly when the signature took place and the IP address used for the signature. Lastly, clients can see a list of files that you have made available for their use. In the mortgage record of your CRM, you can elect to share documents in a client's record with them in the borrower portal. This will let them download the file here. Clients can also upload files to send to you using the Upload button above this list. These files will be added to the client's record in your CRM. Clients can delete files that they have uploaded for you, but will not be able to do so for those you have shared with them. On the My Property page, clients can view information entered for their mortgage property that you have entered in your CRM. If you have entered their property address, clients will be able to see updates on property value estimates and recent sales for homes near their property. The Refinance Analysis is an optional page that can be enabled for your account by your administrator. It allows you to send short, clear presentations for your clients about the possible benefits of refinancing. This feature is available in the client's record in your CRM. There, you can bring information from the client's record, enter data for the proposed refinance loan programs, and showcase how each could benefit your client. You can then choose one of these presentations to make available to the borrower in their portal site. When a client opens the Refinance Analysis page, they can see the various options that you have proposed, run calculations for the loan programs, and find a detailed breakdown of the pros and cons of each option. This way, they can educate themselves and make the best possible choice. If you would like to enable the Refinance Analysis page for your borrower portals, please contact your administrator. Any partners that are working with you for a client's mortgage will be listed in the Loan Contacts page. Here, all participating partners will be listed, along with their role in the mortgage process and basic contact information. This data is pulled from each partner's record in your CRM, and partners can be connected to a client's mortgage record in the Participants sub-tab of your CRM. The Refer a Friend page provides your clients a fast, simple way to send new lead information to your CRM. Here, they can send you contact information for people they know who may be interested in pursuing a mortgage loan, add any comments to you about this contact, and click Send Information. This will create a new borrower record in the Leads database of your CRM. Lastly, your clients can use the Contact Us page to get in touch with you directly. Here, they can see any contact information you have entered for yourself in the CRM, and they can use the buttons below to call you, message you directly, or send an email. Once your clients have received your invite and access their borrower portal, they can log into it later from the Mortgage Circles app or by visiting mortgagecircles.com. This can be a great promotional site for your real estate agents and referral partners and an educational aid for your prospects. Be sure to provide your borrowers with their login data along with a link to the site or app. To help with this, Bntouch has introductory marketing campaigns for these portal sites. You can find them in the Marketing tab of your CRM. just open the Content Exchange sub-tab and search for Portal. You can customize what you and your clients can see in the borrower portal and set up notifications for this feature in the Options tab of your CRM. Look for the section titled Borrower and Partner Portals, then click the Client Loan Portal sub-tab. First, you'll see options to receive a notification when someone sends you feedback through one of your borrower portals, and the ability to include portal login buttons on your forms and video pages. You can also choose to disable a client's access to their borrower portal site after their mortgage loan is funded. This action will be taken when you update a client's record with the Funded date in the Mortgages tab. If you want to send partner portal invites via email or campaigns in Bntouch, you can use the meta tag displayed here. You can also set a default password protection for borrowers that open your portal invites. By default, your borrowers will be able to log in with the last 4 digits of their social security number. You can choose to set a default password for all of your clients here, and you can always add an individualized password for a client in their record. Borrowers can then log in using any of these 3 options. Below, you can choose which of the elements we went over before will appear in your client's portals. For each page in the portal, you can configure details, like the loan status indicators to show which participating partners to list, and what page to open by default. Lastly, you can choose to hide your cell phone contact information from the Contact button in the portal if you would prefer to only receive messages in your CRM. When you are finished editing any of these options, be sure to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. Thank you for watching this training video. To learn more about the Bntouch CRM, please check out our YouTube channel.